Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make a video call on Messenger. All right, it is pretty easy to do. First up, open up your Messenger and locate the person who you want to call. Or if you can't see it here on your recent chats, just go ahead and tap on the search bar right here at the top and look for the person. For example, I'm gonna look for my wife right here. As you can see, I'm just gonna tap on the person. And once you're in here, you're gonna wanna locate the video call icon right here at the top right, near the voice call icon. All right, just tap on this one. As you can see, it is now ringing. When the person accepts, you should be able to see her video. As you can see here, if you want to turn on the video call or your phone's camera, just go ahead and tap on this one right here. All right, as you can see here, the person just accepted the video call. That means that you can now see each other. That's basically how you do it. And as you can see here, you can also add a person if you want a multiple video call, or if you want multiple people right here in the video call itself. Just tap on the plus icon right here and you should be able to see a list of people. All right, just go ahead and locate the person that you want to add in the video call and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.